Attention all LINEA farmers, I found this pretty cool tool by Auto Finance, the bridge. So if you've been bridging it and farming LINEA, this is a way for you to check multiple addresses at the same time. So here I'm at their website, I'm waiting for it to load. So you can see the points up there, and they've got a wide variety of networks that they support, including some pretty cool test networks like the Bera chain. So I would recommend that you do bridge from testnets to Bera chain. Solana over there, Bera Alto, there we go, and Botanics. Botanics is pretty cool. I'm gonna try and make a guide for that, but Bera Alto and Bera Barto, go and try it. So anyway, here at Auto Finance, this link, I'll put it in the description. Go over there, and then the important stuff is they don't track your IPs and they don't track the addresses together, so it's anonymous. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna just quickly show you how to do it. At the top, you put in your EVM addresses, and I'm just gonna go to DBank and quickly copy a few. This one at the top looks like a whale. Yep, definitely. And copy and put it in there. Wrong site. Also. Okay, here we go. So I'm sure you guys have all your addresses all in a Google Sheets file, so it's easy to copy and paste. Just for the sake of demonstration, I'm just gonna go to DBank and get him from there. I think I'm gonna do one more. And crypto bad dog. All right, put it in there. So, and query. I think the querying should, the nifty part is they tell you what you have to do, but the querying takes longer right now. Maybe at the time that you're doing it, it will be faster because less people use it. But it's super cool. I used it for my addresses, and here we can see that only one is doing it, and only 700 LXP, which is super low, but the LXPL high, super high. Man, that's huge. So it's kind of bearish for LINEA farmers like us, like the guys with the big pocket, deep pockets. Looks like they garner a lot of LXP, but we'll see. Keep on farming. That's what I'm saying. Never give up. So just quickly going through his pools. Where is it? Karak. Oh, this guy's all over the place. Good show. Good show. All right. That's it, I think. New guide dropping soon. Enjoy.